all in all, Jalan tamblingan is a central area of Sanur and is going to be a great place for you to stay for your holiday here in Bali. Option. Back. It's really dense cuisine. It's quite a big inside of the restaurant. You can see. So this is a little swimming pool area here. So got a light in the middle. Okay, so there's the TV here. And then beautiful decoration. Okay, so this is probably the most colourful Sanur. It's right next door to the road. Just take you inside. Wooden tables, soft cushion seating. That's some real in Bali inside the restaurant. Just across from India. Hello. How are you? Hello. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in Sanur. I'm on the main street in central Sanur of Jalan Tamblingan. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to start from where I left off in my last video. I finished my last video here at the Indomaret here on Jalan Tamblingan, and today I'm going to go from the Indomaret down to the Soya restaurant or stroke the next junction along the street, which is Jalan Bumi Ayu. So in this video I'm going to show you restaurant options, I'm going to show you hotels, I'm going to show you shops, everything that's of interest to you guys I'm going to show you in this video. So without any further ado, let's go for a walk, let's go explore, and let's see what this street has for your holiday here in Sanur, Bali. Okay, so just near the Indomaret where we're going to start a walk. If you're looking for a guide, you need a driver and a car, this guy is here to help you. And how much is the price?
500,000 per full day.
How many hours?
Around 10 hours.
Around 10 hours.
10 hours, yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Does that include petrol as well?
Yes, include petrol.
Everything, yeah?
Yes, but not including land, only the petrol in the car and driver.
Okay, that's good. This is the driver's car that's available to you. So this guy you find, you'll just look near the Popular Express and the Indomaret. He's in this area. There you can see we have the Indomaret and the Popular Express mini store alongside there, and then we also have a brand new Alphamart as well alongside. Big convenience store, so you've got a great collection of 3 places right next door to each other selling all your convenience goods. Just across the road from the Indomaret, and the first place we're starting at is an Indian restaurant experience called Cuisine Bali. Here's your outside seating there. It looks like a relatively new place this. Brick built bar area there. We also have a Christmas tree already, and I'll just take you inside the restaurant here. Oh la la, so this is Cuisine Bali inside the restaurant. Hello! Oh yes! So this is the interior of the restaurant. Beautiful decoration on the wall, it's very cool in here, air conditioned, and wooden tables, soft cushion seating. And there's a look around inside, beautiful decoration on the wall here, really impressive. And just across from Indomaret we have a place called Bike A Go, Rent a Bike. This is a motorbike rental service here in Bali. This is a very, very good company. However, it's not open today. I spoke to them earlier, they open tomorrow. Just continue walking along here now. We have the Three Monkeys Sanur. It's right next door to Casablanca here. Some beautiful seating here by the road. Just take you inside. Some really nice wooden tables, soft cushion cushion seating, synthetic backs. That's some synthetic sofa style seating here with cushions. And then you're going back out to the road. And then here's your beautiful bar area here in that side. Really beautiful, unique Balinese style decoration on the walls in this section, and then you have a nice bamboo theme going on against the wall over that side. We also have an upstairs seating area here as well at Three Monkeys. So you have a little bit here that's sort of undercover and a little bit over there outside. A section in here which I presume will be air conditioned. Yes, exactly. There's air conditioning. Okay, so this is probably the biggest bar here in Sanur. This is a place called Casablanca. You can see from the outside it's quite a relatively big place. Seating by the side of the road here, metal style seating, and then this is the entrance that greets you. When you come here in the night time, they have live music every night. Wooden tables, wooden metal chairs. The most colourful place in Sanur. There's your live music stage. There's a pool table in the back here. Huge area. I say this is Sanur's biggest bar. Sure what this is. This is a new place here in Sanur called a Lost Ship. Just next door to the Lost Ship we have a place called Warung Pragina, Balinese and crispy duck. Just by the side of the road. Table seating, wooden by the side of the road here, another one on the other side, and here's the inside of the restaurant. Nice wooden bar, style bar at the back there, and then you continue with the wooden theme with a nice big fisherman's boat over on the far side there. Boat upside down on the top there as well. So just carrying on from Pragina, Warung, we have a place called Nogo, which is hand woven clothing. So we have the Swiss-Belin Hotel Resort in the background over there. They have the word Hapora, and just across from the Lost Ship and Warung Pragina we have a little massage place here. Hello! How are you? Dewy Spa. I'll give you this here, and then here's an example of what's on offer here. And then just along from Dewy Spa we have another spa called Turtle Spa. Next along from Turtle Spa we have a place, a restaurant here called the Wicked Parrot. Seating at the Wicked Parrot, just going out onto Jalan Tamblingan. Hello! That's the Wicked Parrot. Just Next to the Wicked Parrot we have Amasari Villa, Sari Villa, and the Gria Santrian over there. So you're looking for this sign, and then the villas are just at the back over there. This is the entrance here to Sari Villa. So this is a little swimming pool area here at Sari Villa. You can see you have wooden lounges around the side of the pool, and then you have a nice seating area and dining area on the other side of the swimming pool. Okay, so this is the room here. Got a little balcony outside of the room with twin chairs and a table. And I'll just take you in the room and show you the bedroom. So this is a twin bed. They do have double beds also. Got a light in the middle. It is air conditioned. Okay, so there's the TV. It is satellite international channels TV. They have Wi-Fi here also. You have a mini fridge here. You've got a desk facility with a mirror, big mirror there. And you also have a kettle, cups, tea, coffee, sugar. And then this is your bathroom facility. Wow, you have a shower, big mirror. Toiletries provided. And then you have a bath facility with a shower. Amasari Villas is here and Sari Villa is in this one. So the reception is for both. They're different names, but the reception is in Sari Villa. So this is the Amasari, which you access through the Sari reception. Here's a swimming pool. This is a separate little section. So you can see you have sun lounges, table and chairs, and a small swimming pool here. Just opposite from the Gria Santrian is a Puri Sading Hotel. Just down from the Gria Santrian you have a place called The Village. This is an Italian themed restaurant. Two reindeers outside, which is I presume for Christmas decoration. This is the entrance. Go and take you inside now. This is the bar area. A big pizza oven there in the back. Have some great outside seating under the umbrellas. Have some beautiful plant pots with trees that are decorated with a Christmas theme. And I'll just take you inside. Little piano there. Really decorative, nice tablecloths and nice designer style wooden chairs. Another section through here. It's a little bit dark in here. This is air conditioned in this section. Nice little bar area at the back. Beautiful soft cushion seating here, sofas with cushions. Through here you have another nice little section. Just going on and continuing on. Next door to the village you have a Starbucks coffee shop. And an outside seating area here at Starbucks. Just moving on, next along from Starbucks is a place called Soya, Japanese cuisine. It's quite a big restaurant. And here's the entrance. Again, you can see we have a Christmas tree already. And there's your seating outside, just by the roadside of Jalan Tamblingan. The inside of the restaurant. Thank you. Oh gosh, it's cold in here. So just Just opposite the village restaurant we have a place called TJ's Shop. If you're looking for postcards, he's got some great collection of postcards available for you to send home to those loved ones. And he's also got a nice collection of little comical cards as well with little mottos on. Place is a place called Rib Balloon Steak. This is the place here. This is the inside of the restaurant. Synthetic chairs, soft cushion seating, wooden tables. Really beautiful decoration on the wall in this section of the restaurant. Oh la la, look at that painting. There's the bar area at the back, and you have some more wooden tables. Just carrying on now down from Rib, we have a place called Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa's got some outside seating under the umbrella. And here's the inside of the restaurant. We have a lovely bar area over in the corner there, wooden. And then in here we have a nice array of tables and chairs with soft cushion seating also. A nice little section of 4 tables and chairs here out in the back under the cover. Nice airflow here. And then this is from the back of the restaurant. And here's just an idea to give you some of the things on option on the menu here. Right at the end here now we have a place called Uluwatu Handmade Barley Lace. It's a really nice shop selling a great collection of Balinese handmade clothes. Okay, so that concludes my little tour of this section of street along Jalan Tamblingan here in central Sanur. So we've got a nice little collection of hotel accommodation options available. You've got a good collection of restaurants available to you, and a great little collection of shops also available in this area. All in all, Jalan Tamblingan is a central area of Sanur, and it's going to be a great place for you to stay for your holiday here in Bali. This street is so long, I'm covering it gradually. This is another section of street that I've covered in Sanur. Watch previous videos if you want to explore other sections of street here in Jalan Tamblingan in central Sanur. It's going to take me a few videos to complete the entire street of Jalan Tamblingan. However, this is another section completed in today's video. Hope there's been something useful here in this video to help you decide if this is an area where you want to stay in the area of central Sanur. Glad to share Jalan Tamblingan with you, glad to share everywhere I've shared in this video with you, and I shall say bye for now.